Welcome back to my channel. I'm CoCo Covie for all you guys that don't know, and today I'm gonna show you how to look fancy without spending fancy money. In case you don't know what I'm talking about, all my wigs are 100% handmade, done by me. And do you know what material I use? I use synthetic braiding hair. So since you have already clicked the video, just keep on watching.
Things you'll be needing: braiding hair, a wig cap, sharp scissors, a good brush, and a mini crochet needle. Preparation. I took the hair out of its packaging and you can see this little scrunchie right here. Don't throw it away, you'll need it later. My client wanted to have 22 inches of hair, so I cut the braiding hair into 3 parts. So now that I've put the wig cap onto my mannequin head, I used tiny little pins to secure the wig. I have a 4x4 closure made out of braiding hair, and before doing anything, I pinned the closure onto the wig cap. If you want to know how I ventilate, write in the comment section down below and I'll make a tutorial. So as I said, this scrunchie will come in handy. See? Told ya. Starting with the wig. There are 3 parts to this wig cap: 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, the middle part is much more wider than the sides. I usually start in the middle, but I switch from time to time. So this is 10 hours later. As you can see, I've done both sides already. The sides aren't as time consuming as the middle. So this is where the beauty of wig making begins. When you make a wig, always have a system of what you're doing. As for me, you can either go horizontal or angled. I prefer going angled. I know you can hardly see what I'm doing here. Don't worry, I'll fix it in some seconds. What I do here is literally just crocheting my way up. Nothing too crazy, I just work my way up. And as you can see, it looks very neat and clean. I connected the closure with the wig cap by making crochet knots along the line. And now onto brushing. Brushing is so important. You cannot skip this step. This is more important than any other thing. That's the reason why I didn't fast forward this process, because it's so important. Really brush the hair very well until it's tangle free. You see, my hand just slides through very easily. This is the hair after my straightening treatment. I know many of you are nosy, but I will maybe make a video of my straightening treatment one day. So now I remove all the pins I used to secure the wig cap. My wigs are super neat. You see the inside, no lumps, no bumps, just very clean work. And it doesn't feel rough on the skin too. So now I cut off the excess piece and I use the sharp scissors to do that. Make sure you do this very carefully. You don't want to make a mistake here. And voila, clean closure. This is how it looks on my skin. Very clean finish. So this is the wig all done. What a beautiful middle part and a very sexy curved side part. And this is how it looks all back. When cutting lace, never cut lace in a straight line. Always make a zigzag action in order for the lace to be more seamless. What a beautiful finish. This wig is so beautiful. As you can see, the ends are thick and not thin. Like, the hair is light, it doesn't feel too thick, it doesn't feel bumpy. It's just very nice and flowy. It looks so silky, it's so soft. I can't wait for the installation. My client has a full set of hair and her hair is very soft. And she's transitioning now. As you can see, she has some curls coming through. So this is the braiding pattern I chose for this installation. This is the finished look. I'm so happy with the installation. My client just looks beautiful. She doesn't even have makeup on. Like, just look at her. Beautiful. Feel free to contact me on my beauty page on Instagram, Beautified by Connie. See you next time. Bye.